something top secret in this bag. Something that no one is supposed to know yet. But sometimes things don't stay secret for long. Hey everyone! Today we're looking at one of the strangest but most common idioms in English. Let the cat out of the bag. It's not about actual cats or bags, although mine has both. Let's take a look. Today we're learning a classic idiom that's both weird and wonderful. Let the cat out of the bag. According to the Co-Build Idioms Dictionary, it means you reveal something secret, often without even realizing you did it. This is a perfect example. Someone spilled the secret party plans a little too early. Oops, someone got a little too chatty before the big announcement. And this one, it's like a friendly warning. Please keep it quiet. It's still a secret. So that's what it means to let the cat out of the bag. Now it's your turn. Have you ever accidentally revealed something? Tell me in the comments, or try using the idiom in your own sentence. One idiom, one cat, one suspicious dinosaur-themed bag. I look forward to your jokes and comments. Carry on.